recording is rolling. It is Wednesday, April 30. We have 16 days until the exam, which is Friday, May 16 at 7 in the morning. Between yesterday and today, you guys have practice exam 3 multiple choice questions open. Now, on the real deal, you get 80 minutes to do this. So between yesterday and today, you should be finished. Whoops, I had to white out that right there. Guys, if you're finishing your 40 multiple choice questions today by about 9:20, then you're on track. If it's taking you longer than that, then on the real deal, you need to pedal a little bit faster. So if you're finishing 9:20, that's good. Right? I'll go ahead and give you guys the entire class time though. So take the last 10, 15 minutes and go back, check your answers. Make sure you're reading everything right, getting all the details. Okay? And we'll take, of course, the next few days to debrief. Right? So they'll start tomorrow. All right. One more thing. There was a AP meeting this morning. Well, meeting for AP graders. So I took some notes here. I know it's a little tiny handwriting, but I'll read you guys my notes so you guys can get the information that I got. So morning testers, which is you guys for this class, be here by 7:30. Be here by 7:30. I take the time to get you guys seated, get the whole thing launched. Right. If you're afternoon tester, you're gonna eat during fourth period. So guys, if you have an AP test that's in the afternoon, which officially starts at 12, but you really want to be there by 11:40 if you can. Right. So fourth period, you guys will have a special time for lunch. Has everybody opened Blue Book recently? Blue Book, because make sure that you open Blue Book between now and a couple weeks from now, because if there's updates, there'll be automatic updates, so you can receive those. All right, guys, here's something different from the past. Is this year they want no drinks at desks. The reason being, because normally they say, oh, you can have a water bottle at your desk. Not this year. The reason is that since there's so many tests through laptops, which is new, they're going to have extension cords available for everybody and extra laptops. And there's just like so much electricity going all over the place. They don't want to deal with like if there's a spilled bottle and 120 volts going all over the place. They're going to have you guys keep backpacks to one side of the gym. Now that's normal. They're going to have you keep snacks separate from your backpacks, maybe on the other side of the gym. So that during breaks, again, like this exam, the AP is in 2 parts, right? First half, second half, multiple choice, pre-response. There might be a break window. You can access your snacks during that break window, but not your backpacks, right? Of course, bring your laptops fully charged. They will have backup chargers and laptops available, but they don't want to necessarily rely on those. Okay. So you guys have a fully charged laptop when you guys come to school that day. Of course, you can only use school laptops, no personal laptops. So just the school laptops that you guys have been using. Guys, keep in mind, bus schedules are not going to change for AP. AP, we got these wacky schedules. So be here at like 7 something in the morning. And if you have an afternoon exam, then you might not get out until after 4 o'clock, maybe like 4:15 before you get off campus. Keep in mind, the bus schedules are not going to change. So if you have to arrange your own transportation or call your parents for a special case, then just be ready to do something like that. Now, this particular class is a hybrid test. There's only a couple that are all on paper anymore. Most of the tests now are hybrid, including this one, and there are a few that are fully digital. So for you guys, the multiple choice is going to be on laptop, and the free response questions, there should be a digital display of those, but they want you to write your answers on paper. Again, this is the only exam where you should be allowed to use a ruler. So you want a ruler so you can draw straight lines, linearized graphs, free body diagrams. That could be useful. Okay. Right. And don't close your laptop during breaks, right? Because it might close you out of the exam, and that causes all kind of problems. So if you're taking a break, if you're on a 10-minute break, right, then you have to leave your laptop open. Right? Oh, also, these are going to be individually timed. So if you're sitting in a group of like 30 students, whenever you hit start, maybe the person next to you hit start 30 seconds earlier. Maybe the person on the other side of you hits start like 1 minute after you do, right? So everybody's going to get their breaks at staggered times, a little bit different, right? And the time that the test officially ends for everybody is also going to be different. But if you finish earlier than everybody else around, you got to sit there and wait for everybody else to finish. All right, so that's the notes I got. You guys go ahead and take the rest of today to finish multiple choice, and we'll go over debrief starting tomorrow.